Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are here, I'm guessing you're curious about cloud development and maybe you were thinking of making it your career. Well, good news, you are in the right place and 2025 is a great time to get started. Cloud computing is growing faster than ever before and companies need skilled cloud developers to build, deploy, maintain their cloud-based solutions and you name it. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to start your journey as a cloud developer. From the skills you need to the best tools and resources to help you succeed. Stick around, this could be the beginning of an exciting new career path. So, what exactly is a cloud developer? Well, first things first, what does a cloud developer do? In simple terms, a cloud developer is someone who builds and manages applications, tools, or systems that run in the cloud. So instead of building software that sits on one specific computer or server, you are creating something that lives on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, one of the three popular cloud providers. And this means that the application is accessible from anywhere in the world, uh, and it can handle tons of users and can scale up or scale down automatically. Pretty cool, right? Now, to become a cloud developer, there are a few core skills you'll need to master. So let's go through one by one, shall we? Skill number one, coding, the foundation of everything. Languages like Python, JavaScript, and Java are great for cloud development because they're widely used and they're quite versatile, I must say. Skill number two is cloud fundamentals. You need to understand how cloud platforms work. This includes knowing the basics of storage, computing, and networking, of course. Most cloud providers offer beginner level courses that covers the essentials. If you look at Google or Azure, they would have their portals where you could get up to speed on how the cloud platform works. Skill number three is networking basics. You don't have to be an expert or genius in networking, but the basic of networking would really help you. A lot of cloud work involves setting up networks to connect different services all together. So as I said, you don't need to be a networking expert, but knowing things like IP addresses, DNS, and how firewalls work can really go a long way. And skill number four is, well, that's really big, is security. Cloud security is huge because everything is online, and it's important to know how to keep the data secure and safe. Many platforms offer security training to help you really understand the best practices. Now, choosing your cloud platform. Well, let's talk about cloud platforms. As a cloud developer, you will likely be working with one of the big threes: AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. Now, AWS is the market leader, which is Azure Web Service, is a market leader, so it's a solid choice if you want to work for companies that are already using it. Google Cloud is known for data and machine learning tools, which is awesome. If you're interested in those areas, I would say, go for it. Go for Google Cloud if you are really quite good in that area. And Azure has great integration with Microsoft products. So if you are into Microsoft ecosystem, Azure is the way to go. So it's good. It's also good for enterprise environments. Now, my advice, which one you can go with, is start with one. Just pick one and learn its fundamentals, and then explore the others as you go. because you have to start somewhere. I mean, let's be honest. And most platforms have free tiers and beginner courses available, so you can try them out at no cost. All right, now next up is building a portfolio. This is one of the best ways to stand out as a cloud developer. Companies want to see what you can do, not just what you know. Practically speaking, I mean, everything looks good on paper, but what you can do, if you have the portfolio, if you have done some projects, for example, it can really make you stand out. For example, start by creating small projects that are cloud based, like personal website or a simple web app, and try deploying it to cloud and make sure it is secure and scalable. Then you could experiment with things like serverless data storage or basic API. These projects don't have to be huge. Even small examples show you can put your knowledge into practice, and that's what they are looking for. And here's a tip: host your code on GitHub, which is a great repository for source code. It is a great way to show your progress and skills to potential employers, because GitHub is, I mean, it will keep your code safe and secure, and it also has version controls. I'll do one video dedicated to GitHub. All right, let's talk certifications. While not really required, but certifications can really boost your credibility and show employers you're serious about cloud development. Most cloud platforms offer beginner certifications like uh, AWS Certified Developer, AWS Certified Developer Associate, Google Cloud Associate, Microsoft Azure Developer Associate. These certifications show you understand the platform's core services and best practices. So here's a tip: don't get caught up in only getting certified. Hands-on experience is just as important, if not more. A certification plus some real-world projects, that is a winning combo. All right, last but not least, networking. I know it's not the most glamorous part, but uh, it's crucial. Uh, Connect with other developers online, join cloud focus forums, and attend virtual meetups. Uh, and don't be afraid to ask questions, because that's how you learn things. Also, start building your LinkedIn profile, and in the profile, you can highlight your skills and also include any projects that you might have worked on related to cloud, because many developers or cloud developers have found their first job through connections, and it really pays off to put yourself out there. So, there you have it, the roadmap to becoming a cloud developer in 2025. I hope this gives you a clear path forward. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button for more career guides, and leave a comment if you have any questions or if there is a specific topic you would like me to cover. Thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you in the cloud. I mean, in the next cloud video. Until then, take care.